So this is something to go adjust on your bike right now. So most modern motorcycles, on the front brake, you have adjustability. You could push the lever forward and kind of spin this dial, and that just brings the lever closer or further away from the grip. And a lot of times I see people riding around, their lever is so close to the handlebar because they think they have to have their fingers on the brake at all times. What really matters is this. So if you're accelerating, you're going, your fingers aren't that long. Like my fingers don't even touch, right? But the main thing is, as you roll off, your fingers naturally roll up to the brake lever. And if you go from like a down wrist flat and then you raise your wrist up, you really get a whole lot more leverage and you just get more reach by doing that. But the main thing is you want to have your lever close enough to where you could get 100% brake pressure, but it's not going to interfere with your other fingers. Some people have the lever too close to where they can't get 100%, and either they would have to add more fingers or simply just rotate the lever a little bit further away from you. But a lot of people have it way too damn close, right? So go adjust that on your bike right now. So feel where it is, and you can kind of feel like, okay, right there it's touching my knuckle, but I bet you that's probably 100% brake pressure and it's not hitting my other fingers yet. And I recommend you only have to use these two fingers to brake. Unless you're on a really old bike with just crappy brakes, most brakes are good enough where these two fingers is all you need. And I recommend these two because these are the strongest fingers. I could do pull-ups with just these two fingers. I cannot do pull-ups with these two fingers. These are a lot stronger. Plus it gives you three fingers, your thumb and your other two fingers and your palm to kind of work the throttle, right? And these two fingers are just naturally going to the brake. You're accelerating, you're perfectly fine, but as you roll off, your fingers naturally go to the brake. You see that? Like, this is what you want to be able to do. But whenever you go to the brakes, and if you have an emergency situation, if you have to really get on those brakes, don't have the lever so close where it's going to hit your other fingers. So go adjust that on your bike right now.